Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to take some of these beautiful Easter bottles they have at Dollar Tree this year and make a beautiful little Easter floral display. I love these colors. I chose this pinkish purple, yellow, and blue, and they were with the Easter stuff at Dollar Tree. They already have little burlap bows on them, but they were a little wild, so all I did was tie them a little bit shorter and cut off the excess material. I also kind of lowered it down a little bit lower on the vase. And I thought it'd be really pretty to pair these all together, make a little tray for them, and use some of that beautiful glitter coral they have for Easter this year as well. I wanted to do a little bit of a coastal design on mine, so I'm actually going to add a starfish to the front of each one of my bottles. These are the little clothespin starfish they have at Dollar Tree every year. My store today said 1 week away till beach stuff. I'm so excited. I just take, using a little heat, I just took the clothespin off of the starfish, so I'm just left with those cute little wooden starfish. Now they are like a pastel blue. I kind of want them to stand out, so I'm just going to paint mine white with a little makeup sponge and a toothpick because it does have lots of little holes there. I don't want the paint to get trapped in there. But I just wanted a little white starfish to go on the front of each one of my bottles to kind of give it that coastal vibe that I was looking for. I have a lot of traditional Easter DIYs on my YouTube channel, but I do have about half coastal Easter DIYs as well. So I just attached those to the front of the bottle with hot glue, and these are the glitter coral. So of course that's a little bit coastal as well. I picked up pink, yellow, and this beautiful aqua color, and I thought that would go great with the coordinating color bottles. Now for filler, I'm just going to use sand. I have some of the white sand from Dollar Tree. I don't think it would really matter if you use the white or the tan, but I'm just trying to fill it deep enough to be able to hold the coral in place and kind of cover up the stem and the stuff down there that you don't really want to see. So just pouring them in the bottles, trying to make sure they're all about level. And a little bit past the starfish is how I did those. So the pink one and this pinkish purple, the yellow and the yellow, and the blue and the blue. One of those fits that perfectly. Now they just need a perfect display. I wanted to use one of these little wood slice signs, also from the Dollar Tree, to make a great little tray. I want mine to look a little bit more like driftwood. So the first thing I'm going to do is carefully remove the staples and stain it a little bit. I have this beachcomber beige, and I am just staining the wood with that and wiping off the excess with a baby wipe. Also getting some on the bark. It's going to give it more of a coastal driftwood vibe. And then it wasn't quite colorful enough, so I also distressed mine with a little antique wax by Waverly and just making sure I got all of the staples out. Now, since it's an Easter tray, I decided to use the little wooden Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree for feet. I thought these would be cute and just a subtle Easter touch. This is the color that I'm painting mine. This is Cloudless by Apple Barrel. I thought about doing different pastel colors, but then I decided I kind of wanted all of my eggs for the feet to be the same color. And so just one coat of paint. I don't care if a little bit of the wood shows through because I'm going for a coastal farmhouse feel for this one, so that would be great. Now I decided to do mine the pointed tip of the egg down. I thought that made a little bit more sense. So they kind of are a little upside down, I guess, Easter eggs. And I'm just attaching those to the bottom of my tray, one in each corner with just a little bit of hot glue. And it's the perfect size tray to display those beautiful Easter bottles. Now, if you didn't want something more specific for Easter, you could always use the wood cubes that are on the wood bead garland at the Dollar Tree. Those would make great feet as well. This is how mine turned out. I think it's really pretty for spring and Easter. If you'd like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. Happy crafting!